Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Priya Bansal, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist at Fortis Hospital, Mall Road, Ludhiana. As you all know, Cervical Cancer Awareness Month is going on. So today I am going to discuss few important points about cervical cancer. What are the risk factors of cervical cancer? What are the screening methods that are available and how it can be prevented? So first of all, coming to the risk factors. So the most important risk factor is the HPV infection. What is HPV? It is human papilloma virus infection. It can either spread through skin to skin contact or through sexual activity. So the next important risk factor is having multiple sexual partners. Having multiple sexual partners increases the risk of exposure to HPV infection and thereby increases the risk of cancer. The next risk factor is having younger age at first intercourse or first pregnancy. This also increases the risk of exposure to HPV and hence increases the risk of cervical cancer. Then having immunocompromised states like HIV. In HIV, there is decreased immune system of the body which increases the chances of infection and hence it can also increase the chances of cervical cancer. Then last but not the least, smoking. Smoking releases some cancer-causing agents which damage the cells of the cervix and hence predispose the cervix to increased risk of cancer. Now coming on to screening. So what is screening? Screening are some tests which can diagnose cancer early at its pre-cancerous stage so that we can treat it early before it gets converted into cancer. So what are the guidelines for screening? The screening should begin as early as 25 years of age and should continue till 65 years of age. So what are the screening methods? So the first and most important screening method is the Pap smear test. In all the tests, your gynecologist will scrape some cells from the cervix via a brush and will send it to the laboratory for further examination. So first is the Pap smear test. In Pap smear test, it is done every 3 years if it is normal. The second is you can have an HPV test, which is the human papilloma virus test, which is the most important cause of cervical cancer. This test is done every 5 years if it is normal, or we can go for combined testing, which combines both the Pap smear test as well as the HPV test. This is also done every 5 years if it is normal. So now coming on to prevention. One thing you all should know that cervical cancer is the most preventable cancer out of all the cancers. Why? Because there is a vaccine that is available against the cervical cancer, which is known as the HPV vaccine. So what are the recommendations for HPV vaccine? HPV vaccine should be given to all the girls and young adults starting as early as 9 years of age till 26 years of age, and it can be given from 26 years of age till 45 years of age if you have not been adequately vaccinated earlier. So consult your nearest gynecologist if you have not been adequately vaccinated and get it as soon as possible. Thank you, everyone.